On June 24, 2026, Microsoft said its Digital Crimes Unit, working with Europol and industry partners, moved to disrupt more than 200 malicious StealC and Amadei command and control domains and IP addresses. 6 days earlier, on June 18, 2026, HHS Office for Civil Rights announced a $450,000 high-pay settlement after a ransomware incident at a health plan that potentially affected 10,023 people. Then, on June 24, 2026, Google said computer use is now built directly into Gemini 3.5 Flash, giving teams a mainstream path to AI that can see, reason, and take action across browser, mobile, and desktop environments. These are not separate stories. They are one operating lesson told from three angles. The software you trust can steal. The workflows you postpone can become regulatory evidence. And the AI you pilot for convenience can cross the line from draft help to real execution faster than your approval model catches up. If you lead an SMB with limited staff and a long tool list, the real question this week is simple. What inside your business can act before a human verifies it? First, info stealers are still feeding bigger attacks. Microsoft said StealC collects sensitive data from browsers, cryptocurrency wallets, messaging applications, email clients, and gaming platforms, while Amadei helps deliver StealC and other malware. Microsoft also said defenders may only notice the breach after valid credentials are already being abused. The strategic move is to treat browser-stored access, local endpoints, and admin sessions as one control surface. This week, revoke or rotate privileged sessions used on lightly managed endpoints. Confirm that leaders and administrators are using managed endpoint protection with stronger credential workflows, and review which SaaS admin accounts still allow broad access without step-up verification. Second, regulators still expect you to show your work after ransomware. HHS OCR said the health plan paid $450,000, agreed to a 2-year corrective action plan, and potentially failed to conduct a thorough risk analysis before the incident. OCR also emphasized audit controls, information system activity review, authentication, encryption, lessons learned, and workforce training. The leadership move is to stop assuming controls are real because they are familiar. This week, map where your most sensitive data enters and leaves your systems. Document one current risk analysis for a high-sensitivity workflow and verify that logging, authentication, encryption, and training are named, owned, and reviewable. Third, computer using AI is becoming a real operations design choice. Google said computer use is now a built-in tool in Gemini 3.5 Flash and positioned it for long-horizon tasks across browser, mobile, and desktop environments. Google also said teams can require explicit user confirmation for sensitive or irreversible actions and can automatically stop tasks when indirect prompt injection is detected. The leadership move is to define where AI may advise, where it may draft, and where it may act only with approval. This week, pick one low-risk workflow with a clear stop condition, require confirmation for spending and external changes, and log every pilot with the systems touched, data involved, owner, and rollback path. The common thread this week is execution without verification. Info stealers exploit it, regulators punish its absence, and computer using AI makes it easy to scale. Put endpoint credential hygiene, risk analysis evidence, and AI approval rules on your next leadership agenda before this week ends. Subscribe to access the premium implementation guidance, templates, exercises, and full strategy behind this week's SMB risk briefing.